Hi guys, I'm going out tonight for a little bit and I'm going to wear makeup, so I thought, well, why not do a tutorial? And I've been really excited to try my Nude by Nature products that I got delivered a few days ago, and I thought it'd be cool to do a tutorial showing you guys, like, because the only product that I've tried so far is foundation, and I thought it'd be cool to do a tutorial showing, like, trying them for the first time with you guys, so you guys can see my reaction and how I like the products. I really like this brand because it's cruelty free, it's 100% natural ingredients. I love the packaging, it's really pretty. I'm a sucker for good packaging, pretty packaging. I love golds and rose golds and stuff. You know, no nasties, and it's a really good price point. It's affordable and the quality is good. Like, I really like their products. So let's get into it. So not every single product I'm using is Nude by Nature, but mainly. So I'll have a full face of makeup of mainly Nude by Nature. So what I'm gonna do first is just, I've got moisturizer and serums on, but I'm gonna use some strobe cream by MAC, and just apply it with warm it up to my fingertips and just apply it with my fingers. And I'm using the strobe cream because I want quite a glowy, dewy, golden look, and I just feel like the strobe cream, when I use it, it does, obviously it's shimmery and glowy, and I just feel like it does show through my foundation as long as I don't have like a heavy foundation on. So for foundation, I'm using Nude by Nature. I'll read it out to you because you might not be able to see it. Luminous Sheer Liquid Foundation in the color N1 Shell Beige. So I'm going to give it quite a good shake to mix it all up. Now, I have tried this foundation. I bought all my products online, and I have tried this. Is the only thing that I've tried, and I think the color's a little bit too dark for me, but anyway, it's the only foundation I have of Nude by Nature, so I have to use it. And also it's not too dark, like I can just bronze up my neck a bit. So when I tried this foundation the other day, I did like it, and it wore well. I just find the coverage, it's not obviously full coverage, but it says that, like, Luminous Sheer Liquid Foundation, so you can't really expect a full coverage from a foundation that says that in the name. So what I'll just do is put a little bit of concealer on later, just for, I don't do like heavy foundation on my skin, but just a little bit of concealer just to cover the blemishes and the red spots. I get a little bit red cheeks sometimes, just a bit of color, and just, you know, around that area of the nose and stuff. So this is just my blender. I think I got it from Sigma or something. I can't actually remember, but I like using this blender because it's got like one end, it's got foundation all over it, but, you know, for the face, and then it's got a bit more of a pointed end for, like, you can blend under the eyes, just those hard to reach spots. So I'm putting a fair amount of the foundation on too. I'm probably most excited to try the lippy. There's one called, I think it's called Beer Pink. I'm really excited to try that. And I'm actually really excited also to try like the highlight sticks, the bronze and the rose color, because I have the champagne color and I know I love that. And I'm gonna try to see the bronze color. I'm gonna see if it will work as a contour. I don't think it will, because it doesn't look dark enough, but there's no harm in trying, right? And I'm also gonna try the highlight stick on in the rose shade on my eyes. So I'm also really excited for that because I think it will look pretty. Hope so. So I just usually dab the foundation over my eyelids as well. I just feel like then everything's sort of the same color to start with. Yes, I'm actually really liking that foundation. I just did it quickly when I used it the other day, but that's actually given me, like using a fair amount has given me quite a good coverage, and it looks like quite luminous, dewy. Okay, so I'm just going to take my concealer now, which isn't Nude by Nature. It's the Yves Saint Laurent Touche Eclair in shade 2. And I'm just going to sort of touch up where I need a little bit more coverage. So, my little mirror. Try to do it in here, but it's kind of hard. So I'm just going to actually go down the bridge of my nose just to give it, it's just a little bit lighter shade, so just to give it a bit of, bring it out a bit, highlight. And I'm going to go around there because my that area, the side of my nose just gets a little bit red. I'm going to do my chin, and I'm going to do under my eyes. And so this is where I can use the other end of the blender and just do that. I don't always blend it either, like I might just tap it with my finger. I mean, I always blend it, but I don't always use my blender to blend in the concealer. I might just tap it with my finger. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Now for the exciting part, I'm going to now use the highlight stick in 03 Bronze, Nude by Nature, opening it for the first time, like trying it for the first time. I opened it and had a look at it, but trying it for the first time. So hopefully I can get an idea of the colour. Now, I'm going to try it as a contour. I don't think it will work, but let's see. I have to use this. Not really dark enough for a contour, but I mean, it will give me something. Just gonna use. So it's more just gonna give me a, you know, a bronzer glow, which is exactly what the name says, so that's what you expect, really. but I am loving it so far because it's so easy to use, which I knew because I had the highlight stick in champagne colour, but it's just so easy. And it feels beautiful on, like it's creamy, and it doesn't feel like I'm wearing tons of makeup or anything like that. So just blend, blend, blend. But it's not, yeah, it's not really like I'm just making it work. It's not really a contour shade, but obviously it's darker than my skin tone, so it does give the appearance of like what contour should do, but it's just usually contours a darker shade. But it's a beautiful bronzer and a beautiful product. Like, I'm super happy with it. So yeah, just need to keep blending. That's the thing with like contouring as well, like always just make like blend, like you don't want to turn sideways and people see this big brown line, you know. Just blend. And you can always get what I was saying in my contouring video, you can always get, like, I've not put any more foundation on the blender, but just go over it slightly to with the remnants of the foundation to just sort of blend the edges. It's not so harsh. Okay, so super happy with that. And now I'm also very excited to try the highlighting stick in Rose. So again, using this for the first time. It's probably hard to show up the colour exactly on in camera, but I'm going to use this as a blush and it looks really pretty. I haven't tried this before, so excited. Okay, so it's quite a light colour. It's not as sort of pigmented as I thought that the rose colour would be, but I do still really like it. It's just I have to use a bit more. I mean, again, it's called a highlighting stick, so it's not a blush. I don't know what the creators exactly had in mind for it, like whether it could be like whether it was created as like a multi-purpose stick or what, but I am trying it as a blush and I do like it. Just have to use plenty of product. You know, with the name highlighting stick, it's sort of obviously they had in mind of it being a highlighter. Okay, so that's about all the colour I seem to be able to get. Yeah, but I do really like it. It has given me some colour. And yeah, I do like it, and probably when the rest of my makeup's on, it will like just all come together nicely. I just put it on my hand just to see the colour was coming, and yeah, it is light. It's a light sort of goldeny peachy pink, but it is really pretty if you want just a light coloured blush. And again, so easy to use, feels beautiful, doesn't feel like I've got lots of makeup on, and I can't quite see exactly, but I think it's given me quite a nice shimmer. I'll have to sort of look in a proper mirror later when I've finished. But yeah, I do really like that too. And now I've got my trusty highlighting stick 01 champagne, which I have used heaps because I love it. So this is what I use as a highlighter. So I'm gonna be like super glowy tonight, which I love. I love a glowy, dewy makeup, looking fresh and young. And so sometimes with this stick, I have found just from using it multiple times, like I just put it on like this straight from the stick, and like in the little areas like on top of my lip and stuff and down the bridge of my nose, I find it sometimes better to apply with my finger. So easy to use, like just the C section there on top of your cheekbone, and you just go pew. Like I just did it. Usually I apply it like that, and I just had it in a weird holding it, and like it's so easy to use. Okay, so I know I love that. What am I gonna do next? I am going to try, I'm gonna try the highlighting stick on my eyes. Just like maybe, I'll just have a play really, but I'm gonna use my finger and put it on the lid. So this is the rose color. Oh yeah, it's totally coming out. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but it's coming and like changing the color of my lid very much so when I look in the mirror, and it's really pretty. I like this. I love makeup products that can be used in multiple ways because it's just fun and easy. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the champagne color. So hopefully you can see in the corner. I'll try and show you on here. So I just look away from my finger. Yeah, you can see that. And then put it on the inner corner. Okay. And then I might try getting my brush and using the bronze color in the crease. Let's see how that goes, eh? So I purchased these products off the Nude by Nature site. We have a few stockists, so I don't know how many exactly stockists, we might have heaps in New Zealand. I know Farmers stocks it. I'm not sure if it stocks the full range, but I just got it straight off the Nude by Nature site, which is Australian. I'm pretty sure, because it's yeah, that's working. Yeah, and it was quite fast delivery, and it was free shipping. I think it's free shipping when you spend over a certain amount. So just back and forward like a windscreen wiper. Blend, blend, blend. So I'm liking this. It's working. And then I'm just gonna get my little brush and run it along under my eyelashes. So most of my brushes that I use are Sigma. I just really like them. They're good quality, and I love that you can get these parts different colors like gold and rose gold, because I love gold color. And like obviously the main thing, they're good quality and like affordable as well. Okay, now I'm just getting the rose color and just running it over too, just quickly. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my lash curlers, which are not Nude by Nature. My lashes are really straight, so I need to either get lash lifts or, which I love lash lifts, or use lash curlers. And my mascara that I'm using is not Nude by Nature either. It's Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes, which I love. It's one of my favorite mascaras. I'm getting low. This bottle's getting low. I need to get another one. But I do actually really like trying out different mascaras. The other one I love is the Benefit the Real mascara, and I also love the Dior Show mascara. Just makes such a difference having mascara. Like, look at my eyes, the difference having curling your lashes and having mascara. It's hard not to pull a face when you do mascara on yourself. So yeah, you can see the difference. And I like to put quite a bit of mascara on. Like I like to do a couple of layers. I don't like them to be clumpy, obviously. Who does? But I do like to put a couple of layers on. Oh, sorry, holding the mirror right in front so you can't see. Whoa, I just missed the I just missed the bottle and did that. Woohoo! And I don't have anything to get off with, but here, like out here where I'm doing the tutorial, but anyway, that is fine. Just don't touch my skin or my clothes with it. Okay, cool. I think that's good. Now I'm just gonna quickly, this is also not Nude by Nature, it's just MAC brow styler, which I really like because I like the thin pencil. Just gonna really quickly fill them in, just really subtly. And lastly, I like to just go over my lips with the foundation, just to, I don't know, dab them. I just stop talking. Just to like, because I put some lip moisturizer on, so just so it's not really sort of greasy feeling, just to dab out the colour a little bit, just so I can see a bit. I just find I can see a bit better, and I don't want it to be greasy because I don't want my lipstick slipping all over the place. So this lip liner is not Nude by Nature. It's Charlotte Tilbury, an Iconic Nude, because I love this lip liner. And I find it makes all the difference to have a lip liner. Just to the colour of lipsticks, just as well, just brings them out. It looks awesome. And I like to create that sort of darker line around the edge of my lips and then fill them in. So, what lip am I going to use? I've got, I wonder if I should try, I've got so many and I don't know what to try. So I've got the colour Nude, which I'm also excited to try. Maybe I'll try that one. And then I've also got this like liquid lipstick in the colour 03 Natural, which I really want to try as well. Maybe I'll do both. Maybe I'll do, just really quickly, just go like that. It feels beautiful to put on. Nice. And then maybe I'll do the Nude, because it's quite a light colour. The camera might not show up how light it is, but sort of in the centre. This is a Nude colour. I still haven't tried the Beer Pink colour. But yeah, so this is my look. And I am really happy with all the products. I am excited to go and look in the mirror properly. But yeah, I really like that look, and everything feels beautiful and has gone on really nicely and doesn't feel like I'm wearing tons of makeup, and I find the colours really nice, the pigment good. Yeah, so yeah, go and get something and give it a go if you liked anything that I tried, or feel free to ask me questions. Yeah, okay, have a good weekend, guys. Bye.